Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we got a different sort of video. It's an unboxing and first impressions of a product I picked up. I actually got a new camera. Like actual point and shoot camera. I guess you could consider this a DSLR. Maybe not, it's a compact DSLR though. I was originally going to get like a point and shoot Canon G7X Mark II. However, that order had some issues, so it ended up being canceled. And I went and picked up this today because I wanted to improve my video quality. I also have a new webcam coming as well. But yeah, this is going to be great for shooting reviews as well as tutorials of things not actually at my desk where I can go film somewhere else. So without further ado, I'm just going to unbox this thing. If you guys enjoyed this, like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and check out my podcast down below if you're interested in checking that out. So here is the product itself. This is the Panasonic DMC-G7K, or also known as like the Lumix G7. It goes for roughly like $500, but it's also on sale here and there where you can pick up some pretty good deals. I picked this up from Best Buy. So it was pretty nice, and I got the curbside pickup delivery and stuff like that, so it went very smoothly. So I'm just going to be sitting here unboxing this product and just showing you what it comes with. Obviously I am not a camera expert by no means, however I did look up reviews for this and it said this was a great overall product. One great thing about this is you can change the lenses on it for what you want, wide angle, telephoto, stuff like that, which is great. It's versatile and can do a lot of things. It has built-in flash. You can also connect a external microphone on this if you want to improve the audio quality. I do have a bunch of external lavalier microphones I could hook up to this. However, I think for now, I think the onboard microphone should be good enough. But first in the box, we just have some paperwork. We have more paperwork and a DVD for driver installation, which is completely pointless. I'm not going to be using that. And then as we get deeper into the box, looks like we have the main things. I'll show you one by one what each one is. This looks like the lens, or no, this is a lens cap or protector or something. As I said, I'm not a camera expert, so if I sound like I don't know what I'm talking about, it's probably because I don't know what I'm talking about. Here is a lens. This is a 14 to 42 millimeter lens, which is pretty cool. You guys can just see that on screen there. That attaches. It was actually nice though. It came with a lens that you could attach, because a lot of cameras, you'll buy them and you don't have a lens. Like, you have to buy that externally. It just adds on more costs, which is nice that this thing comes with a lens and then also a nice lens cap and such. Lumix logo right there, as you can see. Really high quality. This feels really good. Looks like a micro USB to USB-A cable to charge. This looks like a mini USB. I don't even think I've seen this before. You guys know what that is? Leave that in the comment section down below. I don't know if my camera can focus on that well enough, but that's a weird looking cable. Maybe that's the charger or something. Built-in battery. This is 1200 milliamp hours. I think the battery life on this is pretty sufficient. I don't think it's anything like stellar, but I think it gets the job done for the most part. The battery charger that you plug in the wall. You can plug, I know this for a fact, you can plug the battery into this, charge it on the wall, or you can just use the USB cable that it comes with to actually charge the device. We have an AC adapter with a USB-A female strap, Lumix G. So this is the G series, G7. It's a strap so you don't lose the camera or drop it or break it, because that wouldn't be good, because this costs $500. And then here we have the camera itself. I don't think there is anything else in the box, so I think we can put this aside. Yeah, I don't think there is anything else in there. The thing has some weight to it, which is nice. So this is the camera made by Lumix. Really good grip, I gotta say. Really easy to hold. Button placement is really good. Your pointer finger rests right there. Here's the cap for the lens. So I learned by doing. Obviously I'm not a camera expert, but I'll test this out like play with a bunch of different features and stuff until I get the hang of it. That's just how I learn. We have a bunch of buttons on here, autofocus lock and stuff like that. You can attach the strap to, I think, both sides, either this one or this one. And I think we have the HDMI port on the side right here. The 3 ports it comes with the remote. I think that's for audio, HDMI, mini HDMI, and then AV out / digital. And nothing on this side of it. And then on the bottom we do have a tripod mount. And then I think this is the door to the battery, which you can open like this and just put the battery right in there. So it's like it's not like quite like a DSLR. It's like a compact version. And we have like the screen right here, which folds out. It's really cool actually. In the fact that you can actually like protect the screen like that, and then it can also rotate so you can actually see yourself while you're filming like that. See, you can see my recording right there. Apparently this is a really good display. It's something I was really interested in. Obviously this isn't going to turn on. I see so many camera videos where they try to turn on the camera and then they realize halfway through their attempt that they don't have a battery in the camera. But yeah, and then you can look through this little viewfinder. Apparently this is OLED, cool. But yeah, this is a 4K sort of DSLR, mini compact DSLR that it has a bunch of features on it. It can shoot 1080p 60, 4K 24, and then a bunch of other different resolutions. And it can also take like 4K photos or something, which I'm really excited about. I'm kind of I want to get into photography this year. So stay tuned for that. Upload some pictures on Instagram, and also I'm going to try to post my pictures on Shutterstock, try to sell some pictures, which is I'm kind of excited for, honestly. And honestly, this is a great camera to do so. We have a bunch of different video modes. You can adjust like exposure, ISO. I'm not going to sit here and pretend like I know what everything is in depth, because I don't. I know the basics, but I'll get some test footage with this and hopefully show you guys how good this camera is, and we'll go from there. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll probably post like a sample of this at the end, so you guys can just see the overall video quality. Maybe I'll take a photo or two with this, and you guys can be the judge of how you think this looks and sounds. Okay, this is a quick audio test and video test of the Lumix G7. Hopefully this sounds good. This looks extremely clear as I'm looking at it right now, which is pretty good. I'm curious to see how the audio is on this and see if I have to actually plug in an external mic. I don't think I do. I heard the audio is sufficient on this and definitely better than the G7X, which is good. So hope you guys enjoy.